how to bulk upload 10,000 NFTs on OpenSea using a bot. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can upload 10,000 NFT collection on your OpenSea's account using a bot. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, my screen layout is very different. It's really weird, but that's because we are going to be using a bot, and this bot is going to be helping us. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to make your layout look like this. All right, you're going to open OpenSea account in one window, and then in the other window you're going to have like these two spreadsheets. And in spreadsheet number one, which is the top one, you're going to have like your account over here. As you can see, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and maybe like put all of your cryptocurrency name and numbers over here. So these numbers are really important. Make sure that these numbers actually match the numbers on your collection as well. So for example, if I show you over here my collection right here, so if I come over here, as you can see, all of my collections have these numbers on them, and they're really nice. All right, make sure that these numbers match your collection exactly, and then you're gonna put like name in front of them. So CryptoPunk 1, CryptoPunk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, same forth and same forth. You're gonna do that, and then you're gonna put your windows over here just like that. Right, next thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna create another spreadsheet, and over here you're gonna basically add your other details such as your link, your description, and your properties if you want to add them. I haven't added them, so I'm just simply gonna keep this simple, but you can do that as well. So yeah. And next, you're going to open up this tool right here. This is the bot tool that we're going to be using. It's called Mini Mouse Macro Key. All right, this bot basically, it records all of your clicks, all of your activity on your screen, and then it records them. And then when you press play, it's gonna simulate all of those as well, and then you can put them on a loop so that it goes again and again and again and again. It doesn't stop. All right, so keep that in mind. So let's begin. So first things what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and create an account. You're going to go over here and log into your account by clicking on your wallet and signing in. I've already signed in, so we're good to go. Next thing what you're going to do is you're going to go into your account settings and go into my collection. You're going to create a collection. Now as you can see, I've already created a collection, so we're good to go. So you're going to open up your collection, all right, and you're going to click on add item. This is what it's going to do over here. This is how your screen should look like. So now let's go ahead and do that. I've already created this macro key, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and clear this out. Yes, I want to clear the macro list. Boom, there we go. Now let me just show you how I basically do it. So once you have everything set up, you're good to go. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to start recording. So we're going to click on the record button on our bot over here. It's started to record. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the first spreadsheet over here. We're going to click on the name, and we're going to copy the name. All right. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto OpenSea, and we're going to click over here, click to add the NFT. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to put the name, and we're going to click on enter so that it recognizes the NFT by its number, and then it uploads it. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to copy the name of the NFT. We're going to put the name bar over here, and we're going to paste that. Next thing what we're going to do, we're going to press the tab button to scroll down. Next, we're going to come over here, and we're going to copy the link. We're going to go back. We're going to put the link over here. Next, we're going to press the tab again to scroll down into the description box, and we're going to come back over here, copy the description. As you can see, I haven't wrote any description, but this is just so that you guys can understand. You will have your description written over here, and same with your link. I just basically added any link that I could find, and boom, there we go. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to paste that description in the description box, and boom, there you go. Next thing what you're going to do is you're going to come back over here. You're going to click on this spreadsheet. You're going to press the down button so that it moves down, and so that we can go ahead and upload the second NFT. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here. We're going to click on this window, and we're just simply going to press tab button again, tab, and then we're going to go into the Ethereum blockchain. All right, now I'm going to choose the Polygon because I don't want to pay any gas fees, and I'm going to click enter. Then I'm going to press the tab again, and then I'm going to click on create. Next, as you can see, your cryptocurrency has been created. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the close window button, and you're going to go back and click on your cryptocurrency over here. you're going to click on your project over here, and what it's going to do is it's going to go back over here and just simply click on add item, and boom, you're back to where you started. Next, what you're going to do is just simply stop the macro key. So we're going to click on stop. All right, the macro has been stopped recording, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete the final click that we have, which is the stop macro button. We're going to click on stop, and boom, we are now good to go. So now if I play it macro, it's going to simulate whatever I did on its own. So if I click on play, it will now notice that it's going to simulate all of that what I did. And remember guys, I'm not touching my mouse button or anything. It's doing everything on its own. Right now it's copying the name, and next it's gonna paste it over there. As you can see, it's gonna paste the name into the search bar and just simply click on enter. Boom, there you go, uploaded the NFT. Now it's gonna go back, it's gonna copy the name, and you might have noticed that it's really slow. That's because the speed of what it's doing is the equivalent to how I was doing it. So you can change up the speeds, and I will show you how you can do that in a minute. So let me just show you. So as you can see, it works really well. So let me just stop the macro real quick. Stop. There we go. Let me just go ahead and stop that. Let me actually remove all of this. And now let me just show you how you can, speed this process up. So to speed this process up, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to individually, change some of the letters up. So if you click over here, as you can see, it says 5,552, the third number over here, the fourth. You're going to change it to, like, let's say 200. All right, you're going to click on enter. Same thing you're going to do with other ones as well. You're going to change it to like 200, maybe 300. Actually, we're going to keep it 300, and we're going to do this for every single one so that we can see how fast it is. And now I'm just simply going to go ahead and do this, and I will catch you guys in a second once I'm done, speeding this up, and then you will see a big difference. Simply going to put 300 over here and 300 over here as well. Okay, so I changed up the speed of some of these, not all of them, just so that you guys can see how it looks like. Now, if I just simply play the macro, you're going to see a big difference. So as you can see, instantaneously, it's much more faster. As you can see, it's working on much faster. As you can see over here, literally it's taking like a couple of seconds, and boom, big difference, right? And exactly the same thing, you can do this, as I said before, just change the numbers to 300. Don't make it way too fast, because sometimes give it a little bit of loading time, maybe even go a little bit even slower if you feel like it. And once you do that, you're good to go. So this is how you basically do it. And once this process is completed, it's going to just automate the process and do this all over again. So you don't have to worry about that. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.